the time? Okay, so it is 12:50 a.m. And we are getting ready to hit the road so we can go on our cruise. Oh, we were sleeping. Yes, we are going on a cruise. And we are getting ready. I just slept my wig on. I just took a power nap, 1 hour. And we are gonna hit the road. So yeah, we're about to put our stuff in the car and hit the road. We're trying to get there pretty early. We're driving down to Miami, so that's where our port is. Well, that's where we're getting on the cruise at. We have family down there, so we're gonna just go hang out and see them. Like our favorite cousins are down there, or some of our favorite cousins. Don't get jealous, guys. I love you all. Yeah, some of our favorite cousins are down there, so we're gonna go see them, see our aunt, live our best life, and then hop on the boat on Sunday. So this is the beginning, and we're kind of nervous because we've never like been on a cruise before, but we're stoked at the same time. So I decided to vlog and update you guys. Say hello to the vlog one. Hey. It is currently 7:23 a.m. We are on the turnpike, honey, okay? I did my first 4.5 hours, almost 5, because Val was sleeping, as per usual. But I peeled the wood, honey, and I did what I had to do as my part of the trip, and now Valerie's doing what she has to do. She's really holding it down because she knew I wanted to drive. I didn't want to drive through Miami so that way I could vlog, so I can get some good footage for you guys. And right now it's so beautiful. Take a peek. Just finished eating Wendy's breakfast, which is a mood. If you have a Wendy's near you that actually serves their breakfast, because they don't serve it at every Wendy's, I don't know why. Like, are you testing it? Test it at one corporate headquarter and then just spread the love, because it's so tasty. But I mean, am I being dramatic? They put that thing on a brioche bun and it is superb. Sensational. Val said it's sensational. What is it about?
You gotta put the future meme on there.
Future meme?
Yeah, when you edit the video.
The sun, as you can see.
Valerie,
can you leave me alone? The sun is on the rise. I wish I could show you guys how beautiful. Oh my god, my eyes!
my retinas are about to get fried, girl. We ain't gonna make it.
Val, be positive. My eyes! Okay.
Scream me. Are you gonna edit that off the video?
No, this all stays. As you can see, I can't see anything. At least my wig is sitting, girl. So we're set to arrive in Miami around
3 hours exactly.
10:30. Yeah, so 3 hours exactly. Yeah, I'm super excited. I'm super tired. I want to take a nap. Val like, she can sleep anywhere. Like, she can just rest her lids and be like, oh yeah, I'm snoozing. Me, on the other hand, I need it to be dark. I need it to be super quiet. And once again, I need it to be really, really dark. So I have my hater blockers. That's what I call my sleep blinds. Because, you know, people be hating when they see me bust these out. So you got to block the hate. Got him. Valerie's upset with me. I don't know why. I can't fathom why. But yeah, so I have these. I'm gonna see if I can just rest my lids. Val's not gonna go for it. She's about to play trap music. I can feel it in my spirit.
Oh, I'm gonna respect you.
She says she's gonna respect me. But yeah, I'm gonna attempt to close my eyes. Probably gonna take a nap once we get to my cousins too. And then if we wake up around 1 or 2, I think that'll still be reasonable. So yeah, I'm gonna try to rest my eyes real quick. So I'll catch you guys later. cruise day. It is currently 12, sorry I have a little boogie, 12:12. Val and I just packed the car. We were at our cousin's house last night. We had so much fun, but we were so tired, so we went to like a gender reveal party, had a good time, and went to sleep last night. Val is banging today. Oh girl, she looks so good. We look exactly alike because we have the hair. So yeah, we're
it's hot.
It's not too hot today, and I'm wearing, like, if you watched my AliExpress haul that I posted yesterday, which was on the, what's today, the 3rd? On the 12th of, it's a Saturday, the 12th. I posted an AliExpress haul. I'm wearing that dress for today. Oh, it's not too thick. It's not too double line. Like, I mean, it's double line, but it's not too thick. So this is like our, we call them our sister moons whenever we go on vacation together or like do anything remotely fun together. We call it sister moons. We're missing my baby sister Fafa, and she's of course still in school, and she had work, so you know, life, like, we're finally in the adult stage of our life, but we're like missing her. If only she was just a year behind us, you know. But anyways, Foon, we miss you, we love you. Val, shout out Foon.
Love you, girl.
We bought our, since we're going to the Bahamas and Haiti on the cruise. We're so excited. I don't know if you know by now, but we are Haitian. Gang gang. The flag, gang gang. We are Haitian, and this is my second time going to Haiti. Technically, I went once when I was younger because I was in a wedding. Sorry for the speed bump. Went once when I was younger. Val's been like 50 times. She's like a world traveler.
3 times.
2 more than me, sis. But yeah, so this is my second time in Haiti, and like, this is our first time going there as adults. Granted, it's only 1 day and it's a resort style area, but whatever, we're gonna be on the motherland, so we're freaking stoked about that. So yeah, once we like get on the boat, I'm gonna of course probably do some cinematic footage because I'm not comfortable vlogging outside yet, but I will be getting like some cinematic footage in here for you guys. So next time you see us, we'll probably be in the room doing a mini room tour and just saying hello and checking in and letting you guys know what's going on. This is us now. Where's the lights, girl?
Hold on, man.
It's dark in here. Okay, hold on. I don't know.
Who said they didn't leave me out a flag?
Okay. Why are we struggling already?
Just push it up.
Oh. Oh.
Girl, we thought we was gonna be sharing the bed.
Girl, we have this is the perfect setup. We would have been looking sick with 3 people in here. Can I call this one?
Yeah.
Perfect time.
Oh, hello. Welcome to our crib. Come on in.
Girl, you don't have to whisper.
Oh. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are aboard the Jewel of the Seas. And first, let's go ahead and show the bathroom. Okay, see that. And then over here we have a closet. Closet space, you dig what I'm digging. Okay, and then we have the other side of the room that Cassandra's gonna show you. So go ahead and,
okay. All right, guys. So over here we have our vanity. Val, don't even think that you're gonna be sitting over here because this is all me, sister girl. Okay, look at this lighting. Your fave literally could never. We have a cabinet over here with a safe. Place your valuables.
okay.
Television. We have our 2 beds over here. They have lamps. That's cute. Side tables. Val, this is me, so don't get crazy. This is your side of the room. Then we have this little couch over here. I think it's supposed to turn into a bed, but
I don't think
maybe
so.
Probably not. I don't know. But it looks comfy enough. So we have drawer space here. What is in here? Child, it don't open. Anyways, it would be cute if that was a mini fridge for all the snacks I plan on eating. So yeah, that's our room, guys. We made it, guys. We're in our room. What is this, the inside room or what is
Interior
it called? Interior room. Honestly, I was tripping about a window, but it's honestly perfect, like for the both of us. Has two twin beds that I guess you could push together if you wanted to, but that's not necessary because Val is a cover hog. She feels personally attacked. We are super excited. The boat is so pretty. Like, I just can't believe that we're doing this because we literally talk a whole bunch of stuff. Like, we always like, oh, we want to do this, but then we never do stuff. So now we're doing it. I'm traveling with my best friend.
We lit vacation 2019, you heard?
So yeah, Val and I are gonna try to get out of the room in a little bit. We're just waiting for them to bring our luggage so that way we can call our parents real quick or send them a message or whatever to let them know that we're on the boat. And then I'm hungry low-key. She said something about the cafe with like the food. Everybody's so nice already, like it's crazy. They're all such nice people. But yeah, the room is perfect. I think I'm gonna get great sleep. I have my hater blockers, as you know, like it's gonna be popping. But yeah, we're about to hit the road once our bags come because Val wants to get her fanny pack out, and then we're gonna start our vacation. You know, we're gonna get it rolling.
It's on and popping.
Val, what do you have to say to the people?
Nothing. I'm super excited and we're going crazy on this cruise.
Going crazy?
Yeah. 2 countries, 1 week. It's lit.
The room is so cute.
It's very cute.
I love small spaces.
Bigger than I expected. I thought it was gonna be like super tight.
Really, I thought it was gonna be like a little bit longer for some reason. Cause like I'm just trying to see like how this was supposed to be. Cause we were just supposed to come with 3 people. So is that supposed to be a bed? And like, where would you walk?
I think all 3 of us was gonna sleep on the beds. Like push them together, and all 3 of us was gonna have to squeeze.
That wasn't gonna happen, champ. Oh, they even got a little bed light? Oh, girl, I'm gonna be up reading on you.
No, you're not.
Wait, how does it turn on? Oh. Oh, I guess this is, ambiance. We should leave one of these on. So when we leave, it's not super dark in here. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a few hours. It's now about to be 10 o'clock. Seriously, today it's been a nice chill day. Val says she's starting to feel seasick.
Childish.
It really is.
Grown woman seasick. But nah, for real though, guys, be careful.
So she took some medication for it, but anyway, we just came from dinner. We had like came back to the room. What did we do? We did the sail away party. We came back to the room. We ate.
Yeah.
We chilled for a little bit and we went to dinner. Then we were gonna like go to the club tonight, but honestly we're so tired, and tomorrow's gonna be like, we're going to the Bahamas tomorrow, and we can be on the island from 8 to 4, so we want to like capitalize on that situation. So we're just like, you know what, let's just come back to the room, de-robe, de-wig, and get ready for tomorrow. Like pull out our outfits, just kind of chillax, because like we don't feel like being up late tonight, and I probably will be up late, so hopefully I can go to sleep early and then just like be done. So but yeah, so we're about to just de-robe, get in our jammies, and call it a night. Hey. This is my jam.
Check it out now. We pick up the hundos.
Hundo.
Check it out the natural. Hey.